We gathered here on the occasion of JEE Mains 2024 results, the Children's Awards. So it's a great pleasure to stand before you today, recognize and celebrate outstanding achievement of our resilience. Congratulations to all. Congratulations to all of our achievers who proved outstanding academic growth, devotion to their studies, and proven track record. Your hard work and commitment have paid off, and I want to express my heartfelt congratulations on your achievement. Your accomplishment have a great example of your peers and the next generation. So congrats again to everyone. Your success will encourage and inspire others to follow your footsteps. Continue to push yourself and set new goals beyond what you have previously done. We welcome all the students, parents, teachers, and guests, and all the honoring students' success. Express thanks everyone, attendance and involvement in honoring student success. Resilience, as a leading institute in Telugu state, is known for providing quality education, and we can witness the same today. Now, I invite our academic dean, Mr. Vidyasagar sir, to address the gathering. Thank you.
Good evening, Varnadal. Success means achieving your dreams and goals. The meaning of success might differ from one to another. Success gives you real happiness. It is individual. But it's a collective success. It's create more happiness among the residents' family. Congratulations, my dear students, parents, faculty, teaching and non-teaching staff. So I thank to my heartfelt thank to the who stand behind this success. Please receive my thanks with great gratitude who stand behind the backbone success of the residents. I wish you all the best, my dear students, for your future exams. Based on this result, this achievement, I think with great confidence you will get the good result in future also. Thank you, Varnadal, for giving this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I invite our Associate Dean, D.K. Jha, sir, to address the students.
Good evening, parents, the students, and my dear friends. Honestly speaking, this is a really very proud moment, and especially for a teacher, nothing is greater than this. I'm feeling very high, very elated because of your outstanding performance. Many of you have given your best. Many of you got there that expected results. Many of you are still feeling that you can do far better. In my view, you really deserve much more than whatever you got. And we are very confident that certainly you will prove yourself in the coming next session. Again in the JEE Advanced exam, you will make yourself proud, you will make your parents proud, and you will make all of us proud. But one more thing I want to underline here, that on behalf of Resilience, there dear students, all the teachers who worked relentlessly from the first year, from the first day to the last moment, they are also very much, you can say that, responsible for this kind of great success. I really thank to all those teachers who have been there in this journey with these students since beginning. Thank you, thanks a lot, and just wish you all the best for the next. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Now, I invite our COO, Mr. Markandeya, sir, to address the student.
First of all, I congratulate all parents as well as the teachers. So this program is for dedicated to teachers only. Because of your hard work only, this success is there. So on the behalf of Resonance, during the time of admissions, we made it very clear. Resonance is famous for maximum number selections. It is approved from last several years. So and then in this year, our slogan is changed. In this year, our slogan is 100% placement. 100% selection is the slogan of our Resonance. And then year by year, we reach that level. So and then in this occasion, I want to put 2-3 things in front of you. There are 2 legendary institutes are there in Hyderabad. In one institute, 71,649 students in one institute. They were going to write, the mains examination, and then another institute, 69,462 students write that examination. So and then their number of students selected, number of students is qualified for the advance is very, very less. So and then in our institute, and then we have more than 75 to 80% success rate. It is near to 100, but only 20% is there. That in this year definitely we achieve it. So and then this is because of our dedicated teachers, and then our material, our curriculum is responsible for this success. So then Resonance number is not only the quantity, qualitative also. In first year we have 2,200 admissions, and then that rises to 1,500, 3,000 to 500, 5,000 to 7,500. So this journey from last several years, 2018 onwards, our journey starts. Now we reach up to 75 to 80%. Next year definitely, and the cooperation of the parents as well as the student, we reach 100% placement. That will be called as 100% selections. So and then again it is proved Resonance is meant for the maximum number of selections. So once again I congratulate all the teachers and then parents is responsible for this. Once again I congratulate all the students. My dear students, it is the qualifying examination to write advance only. You concentrate on the advanced examination, and then after writing your IP examination, you should not move towards your own. So the student who work hard after the IP examination, they only get the IIT seats. So keep this in your mind, and according to that you work. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now it's time to call our HODs. I request Govind sir, Maths HOD. So I request Nitin sir, HOD Physics, to speak to us.
Well, congratulations to all the success stories today. And those who couldn't make it, anyways, we have another chance in April. So, Again, get started, celebrate today your success. That's all from my side. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Now I call Chemistry HOD MVK sir on the dais.
Good afternoon all. Successful students, congratulations to you all, and parents who are behind their success, and teachers and the management. This is the day we will be waiting entire 2-year journey to see the smile on students' face and also their parents, and it is paying you back. The hard work you have kept is finally justifying based on your result. Congratulations all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I call Maths HOD Govind sir to speak.
कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन। एक तो सब अपने लिए पहले बहुत जोर से तालियां बजाओ, बहुत जोर से, बहुत धीमे नहीं, बहुत तेज एकदम। ये बड़ी खुशी का दिन है, ठीक है ना? और ये तो अभी शुरुआत है शायद, और अच्छा स्टूडेंट मिलता है। जैसे विवेकानंद जी को अच्छे गुरु मिले, तो गुरु को भी वैसे ही जरूरत होती है स्टूडेंट की। तो टेंशन मत लो, इससे बेटर और करके दिखाएंगे एडवांस में। गलत बोल रहा हूँ क्या? अरे ताली नहीं बज रही, इसका मतलब दम नहीं है। बोलना, जोर से तालियां बजाओ अगर करके दिखाएंगे तो। बिल्कुल, इससे और अच्छा करके दिखाएंगे। कर लूँ प्रॉमिस? जोर से बोलिए यस सर। हाँ, बोलना मारवाड़ी यस सर। चलो, बहुत बहुत बधाई आपको, और इससे बेटर रिजल्ट देंगे। बहुत बहुत बधाई।
Thank you, sir. Now it's time to call our director, sir, and it gives me immense pleasure to invite our director, Poona Chandrarao, sir, and to honor, to extend our warm welcome to our respected director, Mr. Poona Chandrarao, sir, whose unwavering devotion has driven the vision and goal of our college. Under his excellence guidance, we have reached new heights and emerged as a renowned institute in Telugu states. So I welcome, sir, to speak.
Very good evening to all of you. So congratulations to all the students and teachers on this great achievement. So this year JEE 2024 is a little special to everyone because there is almost like a 20% increase in the competition. All of you are aware that almost like 2.5 to 3 lakh extra people have written. And the paper came with a lot of surprises. Some shifts are too difficult, some shifts are too easy. So with all those surprises, with all those anxiety last 2-3 days when the final key is going to come and finally the key came, finally the result also came. We are very happy to share that OK Residence was able to produce one of the best results in the recent times from Hyderabad and also from across the country. So just to share few highlights of the results in 2024. So overall across the country, many resident students has done exceptionally well. And 20 students from residents were able to score 100% in various subjects. And we are very happy that out of the 20 students, 4 students are from Hyderabad alone. So then overall students who scored 99% and above, 247 students from residents were able to score 99% and above. In which around 44 students are from Hyderabad alone. Out of this 44 students were able to score 99% and above. And in, from the day one of residence till date, this is the best performance of residence Hyderabad. I want to congratulate all of So highest overall score 99.99% 2 students got. And the most happiest thing for all of us is, and this result is not from one campus, every single campus from Hyderabad, all campuses are there in 99% club. That is the most happiest thing for us. Not just from day one, we always wanted to give equal importance to all the campuses, and that's proved in the result also. So as part of this entire program, when we started working on JEE Main and JEE Advanced, all that we have in mind is we want to break our own records. And last year we want to just do the best performance year. And this year we were able to achieve much better results, and our focus now is on JEE Advanced. So last year we were able to send 197 students from Residence Hyderabad to IITs. This year we want to break that record and send the maximum number of students to IITs. So the team of teachers, the team of students who are working hard day in and day out, because this cracking JEE exam is not easy. Cracking JEE and qualifying, so somewhere around some 13 lakh people have written this exam, 13.5 to 14 lakh. And hardly around 2 lakh people get qualified. Forget about the 99% and 100%. Only 2 lakh people qualified. And qualifying itself is an achievement. In that kind of high competition, scoring these kind of marks is purely the hard work of the students. We always say that 75 to 80% of the success always will be with the student. Remaining 20%, a team of teachers and the curriculum and the institute facilitate. Congratulations to all the students. And as a special gesture from our side, as we committed to all the students to encourage them, we announced the internal scholarship also during the JEE preparation days. And all the students who have scored subject-wise 100%, they are going to get 3 lakh scholarship each. So that's, I think all 4 of them need to give party to all of us. Congratulations to all of you. Thank you.
So let's invite those 4 students. Along with their parents, we welcome all those 4 students. First, Haricharan Reddy, who got 100 percentile in physics.